Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys, how can we unpair a Bluetooth speaker to our phone. Friends, you have paired guys any Bluetooth speaker in your phone, and friends now you want to unpair guys, you don't want to use. So how can you unpair? Today I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to unpair guys our Bluetooth speaker. After on phone setting guys, scroll it and click on guys your phone Bluetooth setting guys. So I will click on our phone Bluetooth setting guys. Then guys you can see right side this icon guys, tap here the device guys, you can see guys this paired Bluetooth device. So friends you can see your unpair option, and friends you can see guys your use for guys your phone call setting guys, media audio, contact sharing guys, you can on and off from here if you want. So when we will click on unpair option guys, after unpair guys we cannot use guys our Bluetooth speaker. If we use, so we will have to give permission again, otherwise we cannot pair it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth speaker to phone. Bye guys.